Hey everyone, this is Ash Ravens with another unboxing type video. This is my second one. As some of you might know that I'm going through a big change. We're moving from Australia to all the way to Canada. In between, I'll be stopping by my home country, which is Bangladesh. And so I'm dismantling my whole studio, kind of getting rid of all my stuff and getting some new stuff. So my last unboxing was the new laptop that I got to work a little bit in this 3 month interim period. Today I've got a new camera. Right now I'm filming with my phone camera, which is an Oppo camera, which has served me really well. But I thought of getting a new camera to get the next phase happening. So I got myself a DJI Osmo as the Osmo Pocket. Hopefully that will stay in focus, but I'll go a bit. Yeah. So that's the Osmo Pocket. This is not the Osmo Pocket 2. This is the Osmo Pocket 1, the first one. So I was deciding between DSLR and some other options by Zoom, the Zoom Q8 and whatnot, which are good cameras for musicians. But I kind of decided to go with the DJI Osmo because it serves a lot of purposes. So I'll probably be doing a few vlog style videos in the upcoming few months to show you guys a little bit of my hometown, a little bit of my home country, and hopefully kind of vlog my travel as well. The last days in Melbourne and the journey, and then all the way to Canada as well. So I thought, why not give this one a go? It's pretty cool. So this is the first one, the old one, Osmo Pocket, which means now they've released the Osmo 2, which means these have gone quite a bit down in their prices, it's already pretty cheap to start with, but it's still got down in quite a bit, and I've got it in a good bargain. So thought of going with that. I've got a few accessories as well, which I'll do unboxing. I'll show you. Well, we've got this in the packet. So these are some ND filters, which are very cool. Of course, we've got some SD. And I've got a bunch of accessories by Kiwi Design. Lots of good stuff in this. So we'll do by unboxing the Osmo first. I love how tiny this packet is. Okay, the very first thing you get out is the camera itself. It comes in a beautiful plastic package. Let's set that aside. So that's the entire camera. This is so cool. I'm a bit of a fan of new tech, and this has been really, I'm really impressed with this. So basically, take it off from there, and that's the camera. Isn't that crazy? So I haven't charged this up yet, and we'll do that soon. And I haven't taken this off yet as well, so we'll do that soon. But that's pretty much it. This is where I believe the USB stick goes or something. We'll see what that is a bit later. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, of course, comes with manual, which might come in handy later. I'm not going to throw that one away. And what's this? Not sure what this is. Let's have a look. Okay, cool. These are the cool accessories. So that's a USB. Don't mind me. Okay. So I'm really excited, guys. With hopefully this means I can put out more content and more videos soon. Hopefully that's something you would want. So I'll have to look up what that does. Honestly, I don't know much of this. That looks like a lightning port, which I don't have an iPhone, so I'm just not going to open that either. I've got a USB-C compatible phone. That's basically the USB cable. And that's the rope for keeping your Osmo secure. Cool. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing else. So we'll set that one aside. Set these aside. There's no point in opening this one. Everybody knows what that is. Let's have a look at these ND filters. Okay, I got some Neue ND filters, and these are quite cheap. I did not really go for the most expensive option. I thought, well, this cost me, I don't even remember, very cheap. You know, as I'm not going to be filming in the out too much and out in the sun too much, and I'm not going to be doing like dedicated vlog type videos, so that's why I got the cheaper ones. Hopefully they'll serve me what I need it for, and you know, some vlog type videos if I ever need to shoot them. I've never done much unboxing videos, so I don't know if I'm doing this right. Let me know in the comments below if you think I'm an idiot. So these are the 6 ND filters. Oh, it also comes with a macro lens, which I didn't know. So it comes with a macro lens and also a wide angle lens, which was pretty cool if I need to do some wide angle shoots, and 4 ND filters, which I believe gives you nice colors and whatnot during your shoot out in the sun. And again, I'm an idiot, so I don't know much, but I'm willing to learn. That's pretty much my strongest suit. I'll be learning soon. Okay, that's that. There's manuals in there as well, I'm not sure, which I can also look up online and find them myself. So that's that. All right, pretty exciting on this one as well. It's got so I got this QE bag full of accessories, and honestly there's probably a bit too much than I need, but you know, thought might as well go for it. Lots of mounts and whatnot. I don't even know half of what all these does, but hopefully I'll do it. This one I know goes on your car or your bicycle and whatnot. Well, actually, I'll just start bringing them out and try to keep this under 10 minutes. So that's your car mount. That's honestly too much. I don't know what that is. Lots of options, probably to hook up your DJI. Different places. They feel quite good. They're not, yeah, they're not cheap plastic. They feel quite sturdy. So I'm happy about that. I've bought off some cheap plastic stuff. Didn't really last much. This one is a lightning port of some kind. Lightning, I don't have an iPhone, so I'm not gonna be using that much. What's that? I believe that's the base mount for your DJI. Yeah, it's like the base for your DJI Osmo. You probably take off the thing out from there, leave it there as your stationary camera if you want to, which is very cool. I'm gonna be probably using that the most. This has also the screw in for your tripod if you want. Okay, what next? Lots of other mounting options as well. I don't know if you want to see all of them. Yeah, there's so many. Wow, this is, I don't know. I don't even know what to do with these. We'll figure it out. Okay. Ooh, that's a good one. I like these kind of. I think this is called a cold shoe. Probably a cold shoe. Anyway, just trying to move by quickly, not bore people too much. Lots of options again. Whatever that is. Okay, we've got 2 tripods. One, I think I have one of these as well. This is not the best. This one's, it's kind of average, but still a good bargain. Okay, and then I've got this big telescopic thing, I believe. Yeah, it's like a big selfie stick. It's pretty cool. Gives me options to do some like long selfie type shots or like drone type shots, which is very cool. Yeah, I'll link the prices below or on the video description or on the video itself, and a manual with a lot of all the details for whichever piece that is confusing to you. All the details are here, which is great because I'm gonna be needing that for sure. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the DJI Osmo and the accessories. Please leave a comment below if you'd like to see some vlogs, especially from my hometown, Dhaka in Bangladesh, which is a crazy town, which is absolutely a bonkers town. But you know, I'm from there, it's home. I love it. I also hate it, but I love it too. It's just, you know, it's a mixed thing, but you know, you can always go home. So that's my home country, and yeah, I would love to present my city to you as well if you'd like to see it. Yeah, so that was pretty much it from Ash Ravens on this one. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.